Hello guys, welcome to AS Physical Education Lesson 1. Okay, the focus of this is just going to be showing you how lessons are going to be structured and also kind of the content of the course you're going to be studying over the next year, and also how your kind of homework will be set and embedded. So what you're going to have to do, there's going to be 7, 8 key headings. You need to make notes on each one. There are some notes on there that I've typed, but I will talk over the top of them. Okay, so starting off then, the content of your course, the first module is going to be Physiological Factors. That consists of anatomy and physiology, exercise physiology, biomechanics. Now that takes up, that will contribute 35% of your final grade. Okay, psychological and social and cultural studies. You've got skill acquisition there, sports psychology and sports society. That again is worth 35% of your final mark, and it'll be kind of a 20-mark exam question, split into small questions. After that, performance and physical education, you have to perform practically in one sport, okay, which will be looking at your technique in AS, and then as well as that, you will also have evaluation of the performance for improvement. So you will watch a video clip of an individual in your sport, okay, and you will have to analyse their strengths, weaknesses, and devise a training program that would allow them to improve their weakness, okay. Now, that's the content, how the lessons work. So before you have even come to a lesson, you will always have some flipped learning. Now, you will hear this a lot because staff have been trained to do this by me in the last kind of week. So I'm imagining you're probably getting this from a lot of people. That basically involves you preparing for lessons before you come in, completing a 5 to 10 minute screencast. Okay, so that's really important. That's complete. If you don't do it, you will not be coming into the classroom. After that, you've got Cornell Notes. Okay, so this is the way that you take notes when you're watching a screencast. So basically, it's a note-taking method that involves you kind of making a key bit of information. For example, you're talking about Cornell Notes now, and then directly aligning it, you will write a question that will act as a trigger for your memory at the start of the lesson, because if you've done the Cornell Note or listened to the screencast 24, 48 hours before the lesson, it's just something to kind of jig your memory. So going from there, when you get into class, you'll do something called cooperative learning. Okay, these are teaching strategies that involve working with others to kind of make sure you're embedding what you did at home without me just standing there repeating it and talking through it. Okay, so they're really important, and I'll give you some examples of those when we're in the lesson. Finally, you'll have a recap, which involves a 5-minute emailed homework to me. Okay, you have to do this after every lesson. Okay, email it. It's a really concise, shortened version of what you've done in a lesson, just to help make sure that you've got the keywords into your notes and memory.